face to do that. Hello beautiful people, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I'm Cheryl. So in this video I'm going to show you how to turn yourself from this to this. So if you want to see how I did this green goddess look, keep on watching. I used 2 palettes. I just woke up. My eyes are still puffy right here. I got these huge bag eyes. I don't know what you call them. And they're puffy. I don't know what, I'm not flipping you off, by the way, sorry about that. I don't know why they're so puffy today. I think it's because I slept a lot. And I haven't slept like that in a while. And I'm talking about a long time. I haven't slept well like that because I usually can't sleep well at night. And last night, I slept a lot. So, and now they're really puffy. Well, ignore that. Let's start off with some primer. I want to try this one again. Hydrate Primer by Jecca Black. I tried it once, but I didn't really wear my makeup that long, so I really don't know if it was good. I think it was good, so I want to try it a second time. It does feel good on the skin. For foundation, I love this one from L'Oreal Infallible. I have this in shade 420. Oh, I forgot to wet my sponge. I wet my sponge. Here it is. To one side first, so you can see the difference of the coverage. For concealer, I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me in shade Ivory. Setting everything with the Ciate Translucent Setting Powder. Eyebrows are done, so we can move to the eyes. By the way, if you see something more emphasized, it's my brand new mole that decided to be a part of my face since this year, I think. And instead of covering up, I'm just gonna embrace it, welcome it, give it a little love by just adding a little bit of eyeliner to emphasize it, because it's there, it's a part of me. So moving on, I'm feeling something about green today. I want green, so I'll be using these 2 palettes, Ace Beauté and Colourpop, and see what I come up with. Start with this one first because I think there's a light green here that I want to do first. This one, and I'm gonna put that above my crease. I didn't clean my brushes, as always. I'm so prepared. So I started watching on Netflix, it's called Manifest. Really good so far. I started watching it last night and I watched the first 5 episodes. It's really good. And I'm gonna take that in my lower lash line, that same color. Ow, don't poke your eye like I did. I can't say. I just can't see. I wish I had a different accent. It's so random. I love the British accent. And I try to imitate it, and I can't do it. I really can't. What's your favorite accent? With another brush, a medium-sized brush like this one. This is the Lavish Tapered Blending. I'm gonna use this one. And the outer corner. Ooh, love that grip. Who's ready for summer? Because I'm not. I hate summer. It's too much heat. I can't. Just want to add more and more and more and more. But I know I have to stop. I'm gonna take that first brush with nothing additional and just blend those two together. Another random topic. I miss going to concerts. Do you miss going to concerts? Miss it. I don't remember when was the last time I went to a concert. I think it was in 2016. Was it 2016? I can't remember. I know it was Metallica, but I can't remember exactly the year. I think it was 2016. It's been a long time. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 5 years? 5? Yeah. Oof. Who are you eager to see live again? My tongue just... So now that I'm looking like a green goblin, we can move on. I'm gonna take a smaller brush. This one. This is also from Lavish. And put the same color on my lower lash line. I'm gonna take that 237 blending and go in with this darker green just on the outer corner. Gorge. I'm gonna use my NYX glitter primer to sort of place where I want the shimmer. Put a little bit of that on the brush. Like so. And just place it where I want to place the shimmer. And I gotta go slightly above my crease because I have hooded eyes. I'm going to take this shade, just pack it on there. Now I'm just going to tap right here so they get kind of blend better together. And go back in with that brush that I used to the middle shade and sort of do this until that line is blended. I'm gonna take some black and put it right here. I'm gonna do a wing and I'm gonna use this one from Dragonline. Eyeliner is done. So I'm going to use these lashes from Ardell. They're in the style 371 right here. Eyelashes are done. And let me tell you, these are really long. They tickle my eyebrows when I look up. So I'm going to bronze my face using the NYX palette. This is in shade Fair. Blush, Jordana. This is called Passion Rose. For lips, I'll be using this CoverGirl Outlast in shade Prosecco Pop. So this is the final look. I hope you like it. I use all the shades of green that I like, especially that shimmer color, this one. I love that one. I hope this was useful for you. I'm glad how it turned out. That's my little glam tutorial using green eyeshadow. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like the video, please give the video a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot. Click on the bell to get notified every time I upload, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.